doesn't irritate your skin. It also helps as well to calm your redness, your red skin, for those of you that are oversensitive. Hi beauty, welcome to my channel. It's your girl again, River. If it is your first time, what are you waiting for? Be a part of this family. Click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell so that you can be notified each time I upload a video. Yeah, our promo is on and just started yesterday, and I want to give a few tips about skincare and also talk about my product. And you know, it's summer and we tend not to apply too much cream. For those of you that are used to applying cream morning and night because of the weather, some people tend to reduce their cream application maybe once a week or at night, and that is if it's not too hot at night. So in order for you to preserve or maintain your complexion, my luxury shower gel, luxury exfoliating lightening shower gel, great feedback. I'm going to leave some of the feedback pictures on the screen so that you guys can see from people that have used it. It's amazing. It's what I use, trust me. The one I'm using is a 500 ml, which is almost done, and it helps a lot because it's made with 4 whitening additives and 2 exfoliants, that is exfoliating agents, which is the AHA, and it's amazing. It helps to exfoliate the skin and also help brighten up the complexion. It's amazing. What you need to do is just, and it's very foamy, apply it on your exfoliating sponge and you scrub your skin with it. I'll be making loads and loads of different formulation of that shower gel because it's hot cake and I'm almost sold out, trust me. So my new batch that I'll be formulating, making, I'll just show you guys how I do it, and it's purely organic. The powders I use, I'm not going to show you everything because it's mainly meant for my students and those that are training under me, but I'm just going to give you the hint just so you have a brief understanding of what I use in the formulation. So yeah, this shower gel, hold on, let me just get it. It comes in 500 ml. This is the 500. Oh, my what's it called? My nails. It comes in 500 ml, and this is the 300 ml. It's very effective and it lasts. It's very foamy. This is what you need this summer if you want that popping, glowing skin. If you want your skin to feel refreshed and to feel as in to be exfoliated. If you want it, you need to scrub. Like I said, for those of you that find it difficult to scrub, or you are in a hurry to get to work, or you're lazy, or you just can't have that chance, there's our new exfoliant, as in our new shower gel that I'll be making, which will contain some of the strawberry beads or raspberry beads that also help. It's so good, and it doesn't irritate the skin. It absorbs into the skin, and it's much easier for you to exfoliate your skin. It helps to get rid of the dead, dry skin. It helps. This, however, with the AHA it contains, it helps speed up cream reaction on your skin. It helps to speed it up cream to work faster on your skin. So it's an amazing shower gel that is almost sold out. Trust me, you need to get your hands on this shower gel. You can see amazing people that are using it, that bought this. They can't testify to you. I don't know why you guys don't leave comments. I don't really know. I have customers, even those that are even fairer than I am. And yeah, that's it. Let me talk about my product. My website is Lightening. If you want to go patronize us, you can patronize us. Yeah. So this is my Crystal Glow. Comes with 500 ml, and this is the 300 ml. It's what I use. Trust me, it's very effective, and my skin has been no problem, nothing. It's purely organic, and have the one I formulate for my wholesales as well for with brand. There are people that like skincare, you have to do both the organic, you need to do the one that is super effective and stronger, that people want to see results quickly, not all this one that you do that they want to see result within 1 day. No, that is not a good one. But see result from like 10 days, 7 days is okay. But organic takes time. If anybody tells you that organic you will get result within 3 days, 7 days, they are just messing with you or lying to you. Organic, you start seeing good results 1 month and perfect result or effective result in 3 months. So it's a slow process if you're patient, and it varies with your skin. Skin texture varies. Some people, it might take them 6 months, 1 year. So, but you have to be patient and consistent. Is the key. You need to exfoliate if you want to get a good result. So those are, I want to have your skin. It's not a day job. So you need to be patient. Patient goes a long way. Our much stronger cream is also very good, safe and effective. Those are using it, they can testify to it. You know, I don't talk too much. And this is we have it in the blue. This one is for our caramel complexion. This is the strong one. Sorry guys, I had a cough. In fact, make some men they behave well. I don't understand. So no, I complain. Some men are good, sure, but man, I had just got a story, a phone call, and it's just sad though. How some men treat women, especially Edo men, especially those Asian, what they call them, Asian, Abi. I don't even know Asian. Ishan. I take this Ishan. Man, those men, I think they have mental problems. I'm so sorry, I don't want to say anything negative here, but it's sad. Some men are nice though, because I have Edo men that patronize me, and I see the pictures they post of their wife and family. But some of them, especially Edo men, those men are fuck. So in fact, they are some terrible. They are terrible men. Edo, Asian, all this son, they call them. Those people, I don't pray. In fact, anyway, let me go back to this thing. Yeah, this is for those that have got caramel complexion, or not for dark skin, but caramel complexion. I've got the one for my Ebony Glow body lotion, and you need to get your face cream. I've got Afcast lotion, face cream. I've got my Beverly Ultra, that is amazing, and I also have one again that is super effective and strong, and this is our most strong cream, Latino white. You guys know this is amazing. I'm going to be put white on it, because skincare, when you put white, there are some restrictions on website as well, and you need to also mind what you're putting. But I'm going to put like on the label. Once I'm done with this label, this is an old label which I want it to be. I want to finish it first. I want everything to be. I want to use off all the old labels before I move on to the new one. So if you want to place your order, go to our website and get your hands on our product. We've got up to 30% discount. This is our anniversary, 5 years anniversary in skincare. Trust me, you don't want to miss out. The trial will convince you. This is our strong Latino white, amazing, great feedback from me. And this is our face cleanser or face toner. Yeah, we got this. This is the 3 days, the Belle Allure, and this is another one that I'm introducing. This is amazing for sensitive. If you've got sensitive skin, you need to get your hands on this. This is also a 3 days face cleanser that will help clear, brighten up your complexion. When you use it over time, it helps to clear dark spot, helps to clear off skin if you got dull skin, and it doesn't irritate your skin. It also helps as well to calm your redness, your red skin, for those of you that are oversensitive. When you take your shower, you start noticing redness on your skin. All you need to do is just wait a little bit so that your skin can relax and the redness will be a bit reduced. Then you can apply this, and you need this amazing, I'm doing this in 60 ml, normally it's 30 ml, our face serum. I have the one for niacinamide 10%, and I also have the new one that I'm introducing, which is 20% vitamin C. Amazing. I've got orders on that. I've already sold out on the 20 batch I did, 20 piece I did. So I'm making them in 60 ml. So just for this anniversary, after that we'll go back to our 30 ml. Usually it's in 30 ml. So yeah, if you want to place your order, go onto our website. You can also hit us up on our WhatsApp. I'm going to leave the numbers on the screen. So thank you and love you. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, okay? Bye.